Hello friends, my name is Nisha and I welcome you to my channel NISHA COMPUTER ACADEMY. Today's video is about how to install Telugu language in Windows 10 on your PC. In this video, I will tell you the steps for installing Telugu language on your PC in a very simple manner. Okay friends, let's cut into the video. Now click on the language which is on the taskbar. Now select language preference. Then language settings tab will be open. Scroll down the page. In preferred languages, there is a option add a language. Click on it. Then a dialog box will be appeared. Now type the language Telugu in the search box. Now click on Telugu. Then click on next. If you want to set the Telugu language in all the apps, including the display of app names is also in Telugu, then click on set as my Windows display language. But I want it for only basic typing. Now click on install. Then the language starts installing on your PC. Now close the settings tab. Open MS Word. Now convert the Windows mode screen into the tablet mode. Friends, I have made a video relating to the tablet mode link given in the cards. You can go through that link. Now, in the taskbar, now minimize the window. Now in the taskbar, there is a keyboard icon. Click on it, then the keyboard will be appeared on the screen. Now open MS Word. At the bottom of the keyboard, you will find ENG. Click on it, then select Telugu. Then you will find the Telugu letters on the keyboard. Now you can type the text by clicking on the letters which is on the keyboard. You can type the Telugu text. That's it friends. You can type Telugu text in your documents, mails, etc. That's all for this video. If you like my content, then please like my video, share my video. If you have any doubts, then please comment in the comment box. I will sure help you to fix the problem. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.